you need to open a string.xml file. For that you have to visit this. Inside an app folder there is a res folder, inside that there is a values folder, and inside that there is a strings.xml file. Double click on it, you will be on this page. Right now we need to update these IDs. Right, this is for AdMob ads. Since we want to earn money through AdMob ads from our app, so we need to add these IDs. For that you need to log into your AdMob account. What you have to do, you need to search in Google AdMob, and then click this page, the home page, and inside it click on sign in. I hope you already have created an account, because this is our third app which I am going our fourth app which I am going to upload on Play Store. I already told how to create AdMob account. I am already logged into my AdMob account. From here you need inside app, click on this option and then click on add app. Right, so from here you need to select Android option, and yes, the app is listed on supported app store. No, it is not yet listed on Play Store. So click on continue, and here we need to give app name, which is a photo in motion. This is our app name, add app. Here we need to create ad unit. Click on this option, and from here we first need to create a banner ad. Select this one, give it a name, photo in motion banner ad. Create ad. From here we need to copy our this ID. This is a banner ID. Copy this option, Control C, click Control C, or right click on it and click copy, and go to Android Studio. Put it here inside add unit ID. We need to put this, Control V. You can paste it by shortcut Control V. Now we need to add interstitial add unit ID. For that go to AdMob again, click here done. So you will be on this page. Click on add unit again, and we have to put in interstitial add here. So select this option, give it a name, interstitial photo in motion interstitial add ID, add unit. Right, so click on create and copy interstitial add unit ID here by Control C, and go to your Android Studio and paste it here. Click Control S, or Android Studio automatically save what changes you make to it. Right, now next we need to update our package name. There is nothing else to be updated in this file. So for updating a package name, you have to select from here a project, not a project. You have to select a project file here, and from here you can see this is our app folder. Click on it. Inside it there is an src folder, and there is a main folder, and inside it there is a folder called Java, and in that there is a folder called com.example and photo in motion. Now we need to rename this option example. Right, so right click on it, and here click on refactor, rename. Right, select this option, rename package, and here we we will give it a name Holy Soft, right? So you can select any name here. Just choose a unique name, right? If you want to open your own company later, if you want to open your software house or something else, so choose a nice name for it and put it here. This is your company name actually. If you don't have any company name, then you can put your own name without any space in it, and then you need to select this option and click on refactor. It will take few seconds. Now here you can see the button do refactor, so click on this option, do refactor. So things will get updated, right? Let's see, click on this option, build, and see if there is any error. To make sure whether changes are done correctly or not, you need to go to inside main. There is a file called android manifest.xml. Double click on it, and from here you need to confirm this option. Package name here is com.holysoft.photoinmotion. So this is our name reflected here, right? This is our package name.